Welcome to the Balaclava Primary and Infant School. This is the Infant Department. I'm Yvette Nelson, and we are a school of excellence.
I am Karina Smith, and we work together as a team.
And I am Tania Price, and we are going to tell you about our school and what we are in need of.
Our school is full of character and improves the community by catering to the needs of the children. We also adapt quickly to social change. We are always growing. Therefore, we use every resources available and opportunity to get those resources needed. Please contribute by donating, whether you buy the items or provide us with the necessary funds to do so. Thank you.
We produce students that read and write because we have to. Our children get along and support each other towards a common goal. With the primary school as our support, working together gives us the opportunity to grow and cater to the needs of our students. We ensure that every single family feels welcome and understood. We are seeking your help and help us to get the following resources to cater to our students during this time.
Professional development is used and designed to improve teacher capacity over time. We use the curriculum effectively to develop our students. We are full of hope, joy, curiosity, knowledge, and constant change. We must get 60 small chairs so that our children can learn in the classroom and at a distance. Masks and sanitizers are needed. Foot bins, 8 to be exact. We also need ply boards to create an office space, as our office is now our sick bay, and we also need an isolation area. Fencing has always been an issue, and the security of our students are important. A single bed for the isolation area. 4 door locks to secure our school. You can help us by donating or contributing for the greater good of our students and to get them to another level. To donate or contribute, please email taniachatjamaican@gmail.com. That is taniachatjamaican@gmail.com to share how you will contribute or donate.
Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Make more.